Today, we're tackling something that stresses a lot of people out, budgeting. If you've ever tried to create a budget but gave up because it felt too restrictive or complicated, this video is for you. I'm going to walk you through a simple, step-by-step method to create a budget that actually works, one that helps you save money, pay off debt, and still enjoy life without feeling deprived. Let's get started. Know your income. First things first, you need to know exactly how much money you're working with. That means calculating your total monthly take-home pay after taxes. If you have side hustles, freelance gigs, or any other sources of income, include those too. The key here is accuracy. Don't guess or estimate. Grab your pay stubs or bank statements and write down the exact amount you earn each month. This is your starting point. Track your spending. Next, you need to figure out where your money is actually going. For 1 month, track every single expense. Yes, even that daily coffee or impulse online purchase. You can use a budgeting app like Mint or Inab, a spreadsheet, or even just a notebook. Categorize your spending into essentials, like rent and groceries, and non-essentials, like dining out, entertainment, and shopping. This will help you see where you might be overspending and where you can cut back. Set clear financial goals. Now, ask yourself, why are you budgeting? Is it to pay off debt? Build an emergency fund? Save for a vacation or a down payment on a house? Setting specific, realistic goals will keep you motivated. Write them down and assign a dollar amount and timeline to each one. For example, save $1,000 for an emergency fund in 5 months or pay off $2,000 in credit card debt by the end of the year. Having clear targets make it easier to stay on track. Choose a budgeting method. There's no one-size-fits-all approach to budgeting, so pick a method that works for your lifestyle. A popular option is the 50/30/20 rule. 50% of your income goes to needs, like rent and bills, 30% to wants, like hobbies and dining out, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. If you're focused on paying off debt fast, you might adjust those percentages. The key is to find a balance that feels sustainable for you. Automate your finances. Here's a game changer: automation. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account and automatic payments for bills so you never miss a due date. This removes the temptation to spend money you should be saving. You can also use apps that round up your purchases and deposit the spare change into savings. The less you have to think about it, the easier it is to stick to your budget. Review and adjust regularly. Your budget isn't set in stone, life changes, and so should your budget. Every month, take a few minutes to review your spending and see if you stayed on track. Did you overspend in one category? Did an unexpected expense come up? Adjust as needed. The goal isn't perfection, it's progress. Over time, you'll get better at anticipating expenses and making smarter financial decisions. Budgeting doesn't have to be overwhelming. By knowing your income, tracking your spending, setting goals, and automating where you can, you'll be in control of your money instead of the other way around. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments, what's your biggest budgeting challenge?